Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best portable disc golf baskets that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Wham-O Mini Frisbee Disc Golf Baskets Indoor and Outdoor Toy Set. This disc golf basket comes with the construction of heavy-duty plastic material. This game is also suitable for both children and adult players. Moreover, this mini golf target comes along with 3 pairs of mini golf frisbees. This game set is perfect for playing both indoor and outdoor spaces. Kids above 5 years old can really enjoy playing this game. The metal chains also conveniently catch mini discs. Furthermore, you can improve your hand and eye coordination by playing this game. You can hassle-freely throw rollers, S-curves, hyzers, anhyzers, and more. At number 4, Innova Champion Discs Standard Disc Golf Bag. This is a great disc golf bag. I'm sure you would expect that with Innova, but I still wanted to review this item to mention a few things. First of all, the most underrated thing on this bag is the towel holder. I can't express how nice it is to have a towel holder on the outside of your bag. Anytime you go discing when the grass is wet, whether it be from dew, rain, etc., you have to wipe your disc off before you can throw it again. At number 3, Franklin Sports Disc Golf Target. The entire package is useless out of the box. With some modifications, this basket has become a functional ultra-lightweight disc golf basket weighing 3.5 kilograms. The next lightest I know of is the Innova Discatcher Traveler, which weighs, and costs, approximately double this. The main mods to make this a decent featherweight portable include replacing all, utterly useless, plastic chains with 3 mm diameter stainless steel chains. At number 2, K-Roo Sports Little Flyers Family Disc Golf and Target Set. The chains are not chains. They are made from quarter machine jewelry materials. Ever had a necklace break and you've had to pinch it back together? That's what we had to do in an area that surpassed the put-together instructions. Both the top of the basket and ring and center of basket needs to be fastened together tightly with pliers. Now then, it's made of plastic, flimsy, lightweight plastic. Hence why super glue is a must. At number 1, Portable Metal Disc Frisbee Golf Goal Set. Easily set up this portable metal disc golf set at a picnic, outdoor party or beach. Ideal for all skill levels. Disc golf basket with trapper basket and double chains is easy to assemble, no tools needed and instructions included. The disc golf starter kit is great for practicing in your backyard or take it on the go and use it at picnics, barbecues, or outdoor get-togethers. The disc golf starter kit is a great alternative to cornhole, horseshoes, or con jam. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.